Hello and welcome. In today's session, we will focus on LO3, demonstrating an understanding of professional best practice. We'll explore how to excel in a team by understanding roles, contributions, and behaviors that enhance effective teamwork. Clear communication is the backbone of effective teamwork. It ensures everyone understands tasks and resolves conflicts. Regular meetings and active listening are key practices. Articulating ideas clearly and providing feedback are crucial. Embrace these skills to foster a collaborative team environment. Collaboration means working together to achieve goals. It involves sharing knowledge and combining strengths. Participate in brainstorming and support team decisions. Working jointly on tasks enhances team success. Cooperation is essential for achieving common objectives. Effective problem-solving is crucial for team success. Identify issues and develop solutions collaboratively. Seek input from team members for diverse perspectives. Be open to innovative approaches. A methodical approach ensures effective solutions. Time management keeps projects on track. Prioritize tasks and set realistic deadlines. Use calendars and project management tools. Meeting deadlines is essential for team success. Effective time management ensures timely project completion. Adaptability is vital in dynamic environments. Be open to change and willing to learn new skills. Adjust plans as needed to meet team goals. Embrace flexibility to navigate challenges. Adaptability ensures resilience in a changing landscape. Clarity of role ensures you know your responsibilities. Review job descriptions and seek clarification. Understand how your role fits into the broader project. Role fulfillment ensures team reliance. Meeting deadlines and producing quality work are key. Active participation utilizes your skills and insights. Speak up in meetings and volunteer for tasks. Share ideas and feedback to enhance team dynamics. Contribute your expertise for diverse perspectives. Engage fully to maximize team success. Supporting colleagues fosters collaboration. Offer help and share resources. Provide encouragement to overcome challenges. Build relationships for better communication. Trust and cooperation are strengthened through support. Flexibility involves openness to new ideas. Listen to different perspectives and try new methods. Adjust plans based on feedback. Handling change smoothly prevents disruptions. Embrace flexibility for innovation and problem solving. Optimism boosts team morale. Approach tasks with enthusiasm and motivation. Encourage resilience to overcome setbacks. Focus on goals and learn from failures. A positive attitude fosters a productive environment. Responsibility ensures commitment to team success. Take ownership of tasks and admit mistakes. Work to correct errors and build reliability. Consistently meet deadlines and follow through on promises. Accountability is key to trust within the team. Dedication shows investment in team success. Participate fully in meetings and activities. Prioritize team goals and show enthusiasm. Engagement ensures contribution to progress. Support colleagues for a collaborative environment. Tailor communication to the audience's needs. Use technical reports for detailed information. Executive summaries highlight objectives and benefits. Oral presentations engage and clarify. Effective communication ensures understanding and support. Address ethical and legislative requirements. Ensure data privacy and comply with regulations. Transparency builds trust with stakeholders. Mitigate biases for ethical decision-making. Accountability maintains professional standards. Spell-check and proofread documents for clarity. Write clearly and with purpose for all audiences. Structure reports for easy navigation. Show interest and take responsibility for tasks. Communicate confidently and use technology effectively. Respect diverse backgrounds and expertise. Tailor communication to suit the audience's understanding. Ensure compliance with data protection laws. Transparency and honesty foster trust. Ethical practices enhance credibility and inclusivity. In conclusion, mastering professional best practices strengthens teamwork. By clearly understanding roles, actively contributing, and supporting colleagues, you promote effective collaboration. Coupled with strong communication and adherence to ethical standards, these practices pave the way for successful projects. If you have questions, message us on WhatsApp at 074-843-61688. See you at the next session. Thank you for your attention.